How to change Apple ID without losing data. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your settings app. Here we go. Now tap on this very first option, your Apple ID, open it. Over here you will find different options. Head towards this option of iCloud, open it. Now from here you have to select this option of iCloud backup, open it. Make sure you have toggle on for this option of backup this iPhone. After you do that, now your all the data will be backed up. Also, you can tap on this option of backup now so that all of your recent data will be backed up. And after you finish this process, you can just close it and open your Safari app. Here we go. Now at the bottom, you can see that search bar. Type in their appleid.apple.com. And you will land to this kind of page after you log in. Now what you have to do is tap on this option of Apple ID. Now to change your Apple ID, you will need to type in your new Apple ID over here. Enter a new email address to use as your Apple ID. A verification code will be sent to this address and you will need to confirm it, and then you are good to go. This is how you can change Apple ID without losing data. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.